Good morning, guys. Sean Green here with Mr. Larry from Virginia, and he is a first-time, brand new to the Camaro world. He's just scored a 67 Camaro, and he is excited as can be. We started off talking about his license plate from Montana, and I figured he just bummed somebody's truck. But no, he's original, born and raised Montana.
So my wife's active military, went through ROTC at Gonzaga and the University of Montana. After we got married, she graduated and we decided to try active military for a few years, and here we are 30-some years later, and she's a one-star general, works every day in the Pentagon on the Joint Staff.
While you're playing with the junky Camaro.
Yeah, while I'm out playing around trying to build a classic Camaro.
Tell us a little bit about how you found this thing.
So, started shopping, actually Craigslist and Facebook, and saw it on the marketplace, and just kind of saw it. It was kind of what I wanted. I had shopped for a lot of Resto-Mods that were, you know, pretty much complete, and then the more I got to thinking about it, I thought, you know, I'd like to try that, build my own car, put my own kind of a little bit of my own sweat into a car, Sean.
Absolutely, I get it.
Have some fun with it.
Absolutely,
so.
Kind of put your name on it, and that way you know what you got. It's one of a kind, yeah, you know, and when you're shopping for those cars, it's hard to find one that really checks all the boxes that you can afford. You know, it's either the right color, or it's, you know, got wrong engine, or, you know, that kind of thing. So this way you can kind of do it the way you want to do it.
Yeah.
I'm excited, man.
So I was excited to find the car, and you know, working with Darren, who sold it to me. He's a really fun guy. So we back and forth, but I'm excited to try and turn it into my vision, my dream for this car is a pro touring car. So probably won't be, you know, as pure as a lot of the purists would like on the Camaro, but I'm gonna still, you know, love the classic 67, 68, you know, cars, and gonna keep it kind of true to form with that.
Oh yeah, something with some air conditioning you can put some miles on, go to the local cruise in.
Yeah, a driver, definitely a daily driver for me. This car won't sit. When it gets drivetrain gets, you know, finished up, it'll be getting enjoyed. It'll get some use.
That's what they're made for. The worst thing you can do is let one sit, man. So his car that he scored is an awful special color. It left the assembly line in the Royal Plum, Code MM, and that is one of my favorite colors. That's a 67 only color, but Larry said no way. He's definitely against the Royal Plum.
Well, not me. So I got to pick the car. My wife gets to pick the color, and it's red.
Hey, there you
tell you, Sean, to avoid anything, any conflicts. The car will be red.
You got to meet in the middle somewhere. And a red 67 Camaro is still gorgeous. Don't get me wrong. But thank you for talking to us, Larry.
Hey, thanks, Sean, for educating me on the car and kind of getting me set on kind of, you know, key milestones to get this thing back on the road. So couldn't be happier with everybody I've worked with here at Camaro Central.